There are 8 planets in the solar system, and they all orbit the sun. 4.6 billion years ago was when this had all begun. There's Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. These are the planets. Neptune is the furthest from the sun. It's dark, cold, and the windiest one. 4 times wider than Earth. Whoa, it's an ice giant, but there isn't any snow. The 7th planet from the sun is Uranus, with 27 moons. Isn't that the insanest? Tilted, lilted tip on its side. Now our Neptune and Uranus demystified. 8 planets in the solar system, so many for us to explore. Come along, sing this song with us, and you'll learn so much more. Let's sing about Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. These are the planets. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. It's massive in size, but it doesn't weigh a ton because it's mostly gas, so you'll pass right through. Let's dance on Saturn's rings, just me and you. Jupiter's bigger than all the others combined. It's also the planet where you will find a storm that's been raging for a few hundred years. That's not my ideal atmosphere. 8 planets in the solar system, and you're about to know them all. We've sung about the bigger planets, now let's sing about the small. The planets are Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. These are the planets. The 4th planet from the sun is Mars. It looks red up in the sky against all the stars. Half the size of Earth, it's cold and dusty, and in the soil iron's making it rusty. We live on planet Earth and it's number 3, made of 30% land, the rest of it is sea. We breathe the oxygen in our atmosphere. If we keep our planet clean, the air will stay clear. One more verse for Earth, cause this is our home. A cautionary tale about the ozone. So much pollution has trapped the sun's rays, heating up the Earth like a microwave. 8 planets in the solar system, all scattered across the sky. Get yourself a telescope and join the fun, and see them with your own 2 eyes. There's Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. These are the planets. The hottest planet, Venus, enters the fray. Its low rotation gives it the longest day. We call it Earth's twin cause it's similar in size, and it's the brightest in the sky to our naked eyes. Mercury is the closest to the sun. It's the smallest and fastest when all is said and done. It takes 88 days to complete a full orbit. Now those are all the planets, I hope you've absorbed it. 8 planets in the solar system, and they all orbit the sun. 4.6 billion years ago was when this had all begun. There's Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, and Mercury. These are the planets. 8 planets in the solar system, and they all orbit the sun.